Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to where we explore the fascinating world of technology. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's shaping our future, artificial intelligence, or AI for short. What is it, how does it work, and why is it so important? Stick around to find out. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? Simply put, AI is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. It allows computers and robots to perform tasks that normally require human brainpower, like problem-solving, learning, and decision-making. Think of AI as a machine's ability to mimic how humans think and act, but often much faster and more efficiently. Now let's break down the types of AI. There are three main categories. 1. Narrow AI. This is the most common type and is designed to perform specific tasks. Think of virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, or recommendation systems like Netflix. 2. General AI. This type aims to perform any intellectual task a human can do. It's still in development and a long-term goal for researchers. And 3. Super AI, the stuff of science fiction. This AI would surpass human intelligence and have the ability to solve complex problems beyond our understanding. So, how does AI actually work? It's all about data, algorithms, and computing power. AI systems learn from massive amounts of data through processes like machine learning and deep learning. For example, a machine learning algorithm might analyze thousands of images to learn how to identify a cat. The more data it processes, the better it becomes at recognizing patterns and making accurate predictions. AI is everywhere. Let's look at some real-world applications. In healthcare, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases and develop treatment plans. In finance, fraud detection and algorithmic trading rely on AI. In transportation, self-driving cars are powered by AI systems, and in entertainment, from personalized recommendations to deepfake technology. The possibilities are endless, and we're just scratching the surface of what AI can do. What does the future hold for AI? Well, it's expected to revolutionize industries, create new jobs, and solve global challenges. But it also raises important questions about ethics, privacy, and job displacement. That's why it's crucial to develop AI responsibly, ensuring it benefits humanity as a whole. And that's a wrap on today's deep dive into artificial intelligence. What do you think about AI? Are you excited, curious, or maybe a little concerned? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Trove for more tech insights and updates. Hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.